Welcome back to Trade KGD. I'm going to do part 2 of fair value gaps, and we're going to do identifying what a FVG is. So let's get straight into it. A fair value gap is a 3 candlestick pattern. Let's draw it out. The line of the drawing. Imagine that's a candle. There's a bit of a dodgy candles, but we go with the flow. The fair value gap would be at the top of this wick to the top of that wick. Okay, fair value gap on a chart on a downtrend, in a downtrend, would be like that. In an uptrend, it'd be one there, one there, one there. And that's what FVGs are. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and comment anything you want me to do next. And I hope you understand what an FVG is and how to identify them. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. And as always, happy trading.